Generative design technology in Fusion 360 enables rapid design exploration by simultaneously generating multiple CAD-ready solutions based on manufacturing constraints and product performance requirements. Fusion 360's generative design connects the full design and manufacturing process, starting with framing the problem in the context of the assembly. In the case of large assemblies where only a few components are needed to generate a design, Derive pulls those components out into a new design while maintaining the associativity to the full assembly. In the generative design workspace, Edit Model allows edits like simplifying existing bodies, removing unnecessary bodies, and even creating new bodies for the generative study. All of the design tools should feel familiar, since they're the same as what's available in the model workspace. Preserve regions specify where geometry must be generated, while obstacles denote where it needs to avoid. Apply load cases using constraints and loads to represent the real-world conditions the component will need to survive. Once the loading conditions are set, define additional design objectives, like factor of safety, to ensure the design meets your requirements. Designate up to 4 subtractive constraints to explore results for multiple manufacturing strategies that you can readily access. Subtractive manufacturing options allow you to take advantage of in-house machining capabilities and explore options well-suited for your existing processes. Select multiple materials to create optimized results for each material, adding another dimension of options to choose from. Fusion 360 will use these preserves and obstacles, load cases, manufacturing, and material information to generate optimized geometry. Explore the results with different tools and plots to compare each outcome based on the properties that are most important to you. Then export the design that best fits your requirements. The exported result is a watertight solid body that Fusion 360 can edit using T-splines technology to make any necessary adjustments, like removing small holes and thin features. The Feature Selection tool makes it easy to select holes and thin sections, and the Erase and Fill tool all but automates removing those features. Create a technical drawing from the design to call out required feature tolerances or surface finishes, strengthening the communication between engineer and manufacturer, so you get the right part the first time. Fusion 360 connects generative design and engineering with a fully integrated manufacturing workspace. Manufacturing operations remain parametric to the model, starting with the setup. Select the model and work coordinate system directly from model features. There are several options available to define the stock, to generate whatever is needed for the job. With the setup complete, face the part in under 5 clicks. Many toolpaths use this same parametric relationship to the model and stock selected in the setup, so creating and updating toolpaths is straightforward and simple. Adaptive clearing operations use the model and stock from the setup to simplify programming and reduce manual selections. The adaptive clearing algorithm uses a constant engagement strategy that results in more efficient machining, extending tool life, and reducing wear on the tool and machine. Without any selections, this 3D adaptive generated a toolpath that covers the whole part. While the intelligence built into adaptive clearing is useful, there are many parameters to refine the toolpath. Tooltips pop up over each parameter and input, making Fusion 360 easy to learn and easy to remember. Keep programming while operations generate, thanks to Fusion 360's multi-threading technology. Finishing operations pull from the model definition, simplifying manual selections. Advanced parameters are available to dial in each aspect of the toolpath. Consistency across operations means fewer complex menus to navigate and remember. Advanced tools like expressions, rest machining, cloud-based tool libraries, and an unlimited number of user-created templates will streamline and improve your programming process. Verify toolpaths with a stock simulation before code is generated, catching any collisions or gouges without scrapping parts or breaking tools. Generate G-code with Fusion 360's wicked-fast post-processing system that includes over 100 free post-processors. Find even more free post-processors available for download and immediate use on our extensive online post library. Change post properties for quick adjustments without time-consuming and expensive manual post-processor editing. Once the toolpaths are verified and code is posted, create setup sheets to simplify communication with the machine operator, reducing the chance of error at the machine. Fusion 360 integrates generative design technology and accessible manufacturing options so you can bring optimized solutions into your business today.